This is a turtle. You've probably seen many turtles before, and you may think, I know all about turtles. But did you know this animal has its own secret language? Well, don't worry, because today you will become a turtle whisperer and uncover the hidden world of turtle communication. But first, we want to ask you something. Do you think turtles talk to each other? And if so, how do they do it? Leave your guesses in the comments below and then watch this video and see how many you got right. First, let's take a moment to appreciate the amazing animal that is the turtle. This reptile has existed on Earth for over 200 million years. That means it was around long before dinosaurs roamed the planet. They've been able to survive for so long due to their ability to adapt and thrive in various environments. Turtles come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny speckled padloper that measures only about 3 inches long to the massive giant tortoise that can grow up to 5 feet in length and weigh over 900 pounds. These animals are found all over the world, on every continent except Antarctica. They live in oceans, lakes, and rivers, and even on land. No matter where they live, turtles are fascinating creatures with lots of interesting behaviors. You may think of them as slow and silent creatures that keep to themselves. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. Turtles communicate with each other in a variety of ways. In this video, we'll explore 3 main ways that turtles communicate. Some people might think of turtles as being mute creatures that don't communicate much, but that's not true. Turtles use a variety of sounds to communicate with each other, including hissing, clicking, grunting, and more. Some turtles, like sea turtles, are more vocal than others. In fact, female green sea turtles produce a unique call while laying eggs. These sounds are produced by manipulating air sacs connected to their lungs. Scientists believe these vocalizations play an essential role in turtle communication. In addition to making sounds, turtles also rely heavily on visual cues to communicate. For example, when 2 male red-eared sliders meet, they perform a ritualized head-bobbing display to establish dominance. This involves each turtle bobbing their head up and down and side to side, while keeping their bodies still. The turtle who bobs their head faster and longer is usually the dominant one. Head bobbing isn't just about establishing dominance. Male painted turtles use it as a way to attract females during mating season. A male will approach a female and begin head bobbing, which causes her head to rise up off the water. He then nudges her shell with his chin until she rolls over and allows him to mount her. Even the way turtles move their limbs can convey messages. For instance, a turtle lifting its front leg and waving it slowly back and forth is a sign of submission or appeasement. Meanwhile, a turtle waving its front leg quickly from side to side is a sign of agitation or aggression. By observing these visual cues, turtles are able to communicate their intentions and maintain order within their groups. As for how turtles communicate chemically, well, that's a relatively new area of research. A study published in 2024 in the journal PNAS made a groundbreaking discovery about the chemical communication of turtles. This study revealed that turtles possess a sophisticated olfactory system with a large number of odorant receptors, enabling them to perceive fine chemical distinctions in their environment. This suggests that turtles rely heavily on scent for communication. Turtles release chemicals known as pheromones when they urinate, which can convey information about their sex, reproductive status, and individual identity. Pheromones play a crucial role in turtle mating rituals, allowing males to identify receptive females. Turtles also use scent marking to establish their territory and communicate with other turtles. For example, male map turtles will rub against females to transfer their scent onto her shell, which can help deter potential rivals during mating season. Additionally, turtles may release a musky odor from glands near their tail when threatened, serving as a warning signal to predators. These chemicals help turtles navigate their surroundings and find food sources. In some cases, they even use scent to identify their own offspring. For example, female Kempis Ridley sea turtles leave a scent trail on the beach that guides hatchlings to the ocean. This remarkable sense of smell enables turtles to lead their hatchlings safely to the sea. Recent observations have shown that sea turtles use scent to navigate back to the exact same nesting site where they were born to lay their own eggs. This behavior highlights the incredible olfactory abilities of turtles and their remarkable ability to remember their birthplace after traveling thousands of miles across open ocean. So now you know that turtles use visual cues, sounds, and scents to communicate with each other. But why should we care about learning their language? It turns out that understanding how turtles communicate is crucial for their survival. Many turtle species are endangered due to factors like habitat loss and climate change. By learning more about their communication methods, we can better understand their behavior and protect them from extinction. For example, some turtles rely on visual cues to navigate They use landmarks, such as trees and buildings, to help them find their way back to their homes. If these visual cues are removed or altered, turtles may become disoriented and unable to find their way back home. By understanding this, we can work to preserve the natural habitats of turtles and ensure that they have the resources they need to survive. Learning the secret language of turtles is not just about satisfying our curiosity, it's about protecting these amazing creatures for future generations. If you love learning about turtles and want to support their conservation, consider donating to organizations dedicated to protecting these animals. You can also spread awareness by sharing what you've learned with friends and family. Together, we can ensure that turtles continue to be a part of our planet's rich biodiversity. As we conclude our journey into the fascinating world of turtle communication, we hope you've enjoyed becoming a turtle whisperer and uncovering the secrets of their language. We've explored the various ways turtles communicate, including their visual cues, vocalizations, and chemical signals. Each of these methods plays a vital role in the lives of turtles, allowing them to interact with each other and their environment in unique and fascinating ways. But our exploration doesn't end here. There's still much more to learn about turtle communication and their behavior. As scientists continue to investigate these amazing creatures, we can look forward to even more fascinating discoveries in the future. Now, it's time for you to put your newfound knowledge to the test. How many of the turtle communication methods did you know about before watching this video? Let us know in the comments section below. We hope you've learned something new and exciting about turtles. If you're interested in learning more about turtles or supporting their conservation, we encourage you to visit the websites provided below. By doing so, you'll not only expand your knowledge, but also help protect these magnificent creatures for future generations. And finally, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring the world and all its wonders.